Guided by decades of legal expertise and research, Young Living has established stringent ethical and environmental standards that distinguish us from other companies and set the course for principled, sustainable practices across the essential oil industry. We work with legal authorities from around the world to meet and exceed global and local regulations that protect the land and people behind your favorite plant-based products. But that's only the beginning. We bring our high standards and practices with us everywhere we go, leading other suppliers to improve their practices in order to keep up. We're proving that a rising tide lifts all boats and bringing you the world's purest essential oils along the way. So how do we do it? It starts with policies that put the earth and people first. Working with authorities from around the world, we've established the gold standard for international compliance, making sure that our products and partners comply with all the laws and regulations everywhere we do business. It's the first of its kind in the industry, and it's another example of our Seed to Seal commitment, putting us at the forefront of quality, ethics, and sustainability. When you assume the role of standard bearer, it means going above and beyond what is required. Here at our farm in Mona, Utah, our water conservation efforts are helping us preserve one of the planet's most limited resources. By finding ways to reuse water in our growing and distillation processes, we lessen our overall impact on the earth. We're leading the way with our green work at home in Utah. In fact, our new state-of-the-art global headquarters are being built to LEED specifications, ensuring that even our offices are part of our big picture sustainability efforts. Globally, we're devoting considerable resources to ensuring the long-term sustainability of all our botanicals, from reforestation efforts in Hawaii and the Philippines, to protecting overharvested wild helichrysum in Croatia, to verifying sustainability through third-party audits. Since the beginning, Young Living has been committed to bringing a sense of purpose and abundance into the lives of those that it touches. That's why our standards for building a better world drive us to create more sustainable communities as well. At the Young Living Farm in Chongon, Ecuador, workers can send their children to the Young Living Academy to receive a high-quality K-12 education, while the parents benefit from long-term employment working with Young Living. There are now countless opportunities for success in a small community where previous access to employment and education was minimal. In the Bicol region of the Philippines, our collaboration with the Happy Pili Tree Farm is creating lasting, meaningful employment through sustainable resin tapping and on-site distillation of LME essential oil. In teaching a new way to harvest resin, we promote agricultural education and sustainability practices for local young people while providing a boost to the local economy. The list of our sustainability efforts goes on and on. Whether we're talking about recycling at our distribution center, or even the unparalleled work of the D. Gary Young Living Foundation, our work is about setting higher standards so we can make the world we live in a better place. It's part of our commitment to give you the very best, and to always strive to be even better tomorrow than we are today. For us, Seed to Seal isn't just a slogan, it's everything we stand for.